Training! Sneeze. Okay, I'm good.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Can you introduce yourself?
Hey everybody, I am Julian Yee, Malaysia's national figure skater and the first Malaysian Winter Olympian.
Hi everyone, my name is Tony K. I'm 27 years old.
My name is Darren Anthony. I'm 27 years old.
Hi, my name's Alvin and I'm 23 years old.
Do you know what is chlorophyll?
I have heard of it, but I've only heard of it. I don't really know what it is.
No?
Yeah, it's the thing in leaves, right? In plants that helps them create food through photosynthesis.
Yeah, I've heard of it. I guess it's the thing that makes plants photosynthesize, right?
Yes. Well, have you heard about chlorophyll drink?
Yes, I remember primary school, a lot of kids used to bring it to class and then they show off to me, but I don't have.
Maybe I heard about it, but I don't know more specific.
Can't say I have, no.
No, never heard of it.
Well, you're in luck because you're going to try it today.
Wow, that's amazing.
Sure.
Okay.
So what you have on the table is K-liquid chlorophyll from K-leaves.
Okay, let's give it a try.
Must be in water.
Yeah, you have to mix with water.
What if I don't mix in water?
Just 1 tablespoon, right?
Yeah, just 1 tablespoon.
Okay.
So is it easy to drink?
You know, it tastes like some dessert. Got one dessert taste, I don't know what it is, but it was like grass jelly. It tastes like grass jelly. That's what it is.
There's almost no taste. I mean, it tastes like what you expect green color to taste in your head. Like if you think green or it tastes like that, it tastes like that, but it just tastes like water.
Yeah, that's nice. Watery.
Is it very difficult to drink?
You know, it's so easy. Just couple of seconds it will be.
It tastes like regular water.
So
Yeah.
is it hard to drink?
No, I think the colors it might be a little bit unappealing, but yeah, the taste is fine.
So did you know chlorophyll is high in antioxidant and also high in anti-inflammatory properties. Therefore, chlorophyll drink is extremely beneficial to our overall health.
Then I better finish it off first.
Wow, I didn't know about this. All this content in this?
Yes!
Wow.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
Yes,
Mm.
So then I should be drinking more, right?
Well, I have one last question for you. Would you purchase this drink?
Would I purchase it? I would, because I also like the color, very very nice. And somehow I'm always attracted to colorful things when I eat or drink, so. And it's also very healthy, right?
Yeah, of course. I would love to. And I would recommend for all my friends.
You're not giving it to me, man?
Yeah, I think I'll definitely consider getting it, you know. I mean, I've never heard of it, but I'll be definitely open to trying it.
Well, thank you so much, Julian. Thank you for participating.
Anytime.
And I would like to give you our K-liquid chlorophyll as a gift.
Thank you, Keeling. I love you, Keeling.
Oh, thank you. Can I keep this also?
Oh, thank you.